Your Wi-Fi is off. Now open Figma, it works, it shouldn't. Your notes work, your AI works, offline. 10 years ago, this exact screen said this. Today the error is gone, and nobody announced it. Here's what you were never told: every app on your screen has a twin. It lives here, Ashburn, Virginia, the largest concentration of data centers on Earth in farmland. Until recently, every keystroke you typed went there and back to bold some text. Then engineers benchmarked something that made no sense. The fastest apps of 2026 barely touch the internet. The best cloud software stopped using the cloud. Why did we ever build it that way? Because in 2006 your computer was pathetic. Amazon started renting computers by the hour, 10 cents. Genius, your files, your photos, your company shipped to their machines. We even renamed software after the deal: software as a service. Translation: you own nothing and the bill never ends. But while you were renting, the phones won. This filled a room: fastest computer on Earth, 1997. The chip in your pocket outruns it. And it sits at 4%. The problem that created the cloud was solved years ago. Nobody updated the plan. Except a few engineers found the loophole. Two devices, both offline, both editing the same file, watch. It merges perfectly, no server refereeing. The math is called a CRDT, that's all you need. Figma built on this idea. Linear, Obsidian, WhatsApp, your device is the source of truth now, sync mops up later like a night janitor. Then AI joined. Models that needed a warehouse of GPUs now stream from your laptop, in airplane mode. Apple, Google, Microsoft are racing to shove AI onto your device, not for your privacy, because every round trip to Virginia costs them milliseconds and billions. The most advanced software on Earth is going offline. So the cloud is dead. Wrong, something stranger happened. The cloud got demoted. For 20 years the server was the computer. Your device was just a window into it. Now flip it, your device is the computer, the cloud is the backup. Same servers, same farmland in Virginia, completely different job. And you can verify it. Count your loading spinners this week. There are fewer than last year. The server didn't die, it just isn't in charge anymore.